Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram name without Facebook. So first of all, open Instagram account, click on the profile icon, look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy, account center, click on profile, click on again, and now select Instagram, not Facebook, and disable to sync, stop syncing, and go back to main profile. Click on edit profile, and now you can easily change your Instagram name. And finally tap on the right mark, then you can easily change your Instagram name without Facebook. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.